Hello everyone, this is Tyson with the Miami Association of Realtors bringing you another MLS-Touch tip. This tip we're going to cover how to search for recently expired listings in the MLS-Touch app. For this example, we're going to go into the section Advanced Search. And then from there, we're going to look specifically for expired single-family homes in Doral that have expired within the past 5 days. We're going to go into the section City. From there, I'm going to type under search Doral. Once I do so, I'm going to click on Doral and then click on apply in the top right corner. All right, and then from there, we're going to go specifically in the section listing status so we can select expired. All right, from there, we're going to simply click on expired and then remove the active status, which shows up by default, and then click apply. From here, under property type, we're going to select single family, remove the option for condo, and then click apply. So far, I'm telling the system to search for properties in Doral that is a single family home with a listing status of expired. But as I previously mentioned, we're going to find expired listings that have expired within the past 5 days. So we're going to use the field since in order to do so. I'm going to click on since and then select 5 days. From there, I'm going to click on search. And then this will provide me with any expired listings for single-family homes in Doral that have expired within the past 5 days. Now, how I did this was using the option since. This will allow us to find properties. This will allow us to find changes as they happen either today, 2 days, 5 days, and up to 2 years. Or we can just simply see everything by clicking on all. Hope you found this tip helpful. You can find other tips like this by going to our YouTube channel, by going to youtube.com/miamitrainers. Thank you for watching.